Good morning, student. In the previous lectures, I taught you noun clause, adjective clause. So I taught as yesterday I taught you adjective clause. Now you note down assignment for adjective clause. This is assignment. Combine the following pair of sentences by using defining relative यानी कि adjective clause. First one is the man composed this song. Full stop. He is inviting us tomorrow. Second, these are simple sentences and you have to combine the following pairs using adjective clause. I saw several houses. They were quite unsuitable. Third one, she was dancing with a student. He had a slight limp. The man was sitting at the desk. He was the manager. Number 5th, this is Zadev. His son won the scholarship this year. Next, I saw a picture. It fascinated me. Next sentence, I have bought a watch. It shows date. Number 8, I met Mohan. He gave me 10 rupees. Next, I purchased a map. It helped me in finding the way. Number 10, this is hers. His pocket was picked yesterday. So student, today we will discuss adverb clause. Okay, let us start adverb clause. Adverb. Adverb clause. So what is adverb clause? A clause that acts as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb clause. I am writing here a clause that acts as an adverb. What is adverb? क्रिया विशेषण जो वर्ब की विशेषता बताता है. A clause that acts as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb clause. Adverb clause. Students, there are some kinds of adverb clause. First one is an adverb clause of time. Okay, an adverb clause of time, this shows the time of action. An adverb clause of time, we use conjunction when, whenever, while, after, before, since, as soon as, etc. Okay, which denote a time of action. The bell, example, the bell rang after I reached school. After I reached school. This is adverb clause. ये क्या बता रहा है? बेल रेंग. रेंग यहाँ पे क्या है? वर्ब है. अब ये बेल कब बजी? आफ्टर आई रीच्ड स्कूल, मेरे स्कूल पहुंचने के बाद. सो इन दिस sentence, this is adverb clause. And which kind of adverb clause? Time of action. Second one, adverb clause of place. Okay, place here, this shows place of action, कि जो भी कार्य हुआ वो किस जगह पे हुआ, कहाँ पे हुआ. सो एग्जाम्पल, आई लेफ्ट द कार वेयर इट ब्रोक डाउन. Where it broke down. This is adverb clause, kind adverb clause of action, place. अब यहाँ पे है कि I left the car, मैंने कार को छोड़ दिया. कहाँ छोड़ दिया? जहाँ पर ये broke down हो गई. तो किसको बताता है ये? clause of place को बताता है. And we use conjunction for this. Where, wherever, like this. Number 3, adverb clause of reason. Clause of reason. क्या you can say cause. इसमें कारण या कॉज मालूम होता है. से कंजक्शंस कौन कौन से हैं? कंजक्शंस हैं हमारे पास बिकॉज. बिकॉज मीन्स क्यों, सिंस और एज एक्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, this clause shows what? Shows the reason behind the action. This clause shows the reason behind the action. What? Reason behind the action, कि जो कार्य हो, जो एक्शन, उसके पीछे क्या कारण रहा. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं अभी. यस, थिंक एग्जाम्पल फॉर कॉज रीजन. शी वेंट टू द ऑफिस बिकॉज her boss wanted to meet her. Because her boss wanted to meet her. This is adverb clause, kind adverb clause of reason. वो ऑफिस क्यों गई? उसका ऑफिस जाने के पीछे क्या कारण था? क्या कारण था? Her boss wanted to meet her. Okay. So student, till here you will do assignment in your notebook what I gave you, and revise all these rules. Tomorrow we'll complete this topic, adverb clause. Thank you.